Give your Toyota Corolla a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 4 pieces and includes 2 backrest sections offering 60-40 split with built-in headrest covers, 1 middle headrest cover, and a solid seat bottom cover. From around the back and under both front seats, begin by disconnecting the original factory seat flap. More on that later. Then recline the front seats and remove the headrests. Now stretch the backrest cover over each seat. Make sure to pull firmly down and around the seat. Next, insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side. And tuck the fabric in. Now place the seat bottom covers on the seats. You will notice the inner side of the cover has a hook and loop strap. Tuck the strap in between the seat and console and fasten to the seat fabric. Then grab the elastic loop and slip it around the seatbelt buckle for added security. Now use the foam push bar and push clip on the other side of the seat bottom and insert them into the side crevice of the seat base. Then tuck the fabric in to secure. Next, feed the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. And tuck the fabric into the crevice. Then from the front of the seat, you will notice the metal bar which is used to slide the seat back and forth. Loosen the straps to extend the length and then stretch them over the metal bar and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From the back side, pull the hook and loop straps out from the crevice and fasten them to the back of the seat. Next, pull the buckle clips and material out from the crevice. Then pull the straps out from under the seat and connect them to the buckle clips. Now adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat bottom. Reconnect the original factory seat flap, and then attach the cover to the backrest by fastening it with the hook and loop adhesive strips and pressing down to secure. Now tuck the fabric under the headrest base, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. Next, at the rear seat backrest, slip the seatbelt out of its holder so it doesn't get in the way of the installation, and remove the headrests. Then slightly recline the rear backrests. Now stretch each cover over the backrest sections, making sure to tuck the fabric down and around the headrest and the length of the backrests for a snug fit. Line up the cutouts and tuck the fabric around the seat controls. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice of the seat bottom, pushing through to the back side. And tuck the fabric in. Fold the backrest sections completely down. Unsnap the original trunk flaps and fold them back. Now grab and pull the hook and loop straps upward from the crevice and fasten each one to the back side. Reconnect the trunk flaps and use the adhesive side of the cover to fasten it over the seat to secure the cover in place. Then fold the seats back to their upright position. Now completely remove the rear bench seat bottom on both the right and left sides. As you can see, the metal clips are released from the plastic inserts and can be pushed back into place when install is complete. Start by stretching the rear bottom cover over the bench seat and line up the cutouts with the contour of the seat. You will notice 5 buckle straps and 4 elastic loops with metal hooks. You will insert the straps into the crevice and the hooks into the cutout areas, feeding them underneath the seat bottom. Then stretch the elastic loops around the seatbelt buckles and making sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice. Then flip the seat upward against the backrest. Pull the straps out and start to connect them to the buckle clips. Make sure to feed the right and left straps through the elastic loops, then connect to the buckle clip. Adjust, tighten, and secure all the straps. Now stretch the elastic loops with metal clips along the underside and attach each clip into the foam bottom for a secure fit. Next, reposition the bench seat bottom and press down to pop it back into place. Then slip on the center console cover, making sure the elastic loop stretches over the inner latch. Then tuck the fabric in. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.